What's up with the Locked In fam? Welcome back to another episode of Locked In with Trey. And today marks week 17 of this Minoxidil beard journey. You know what I'm saying? So these are the results, you know what I'm saying? Yada, yada, yam. You know, side right there. That's the left side underneath the neck. It was real patchy under here and it's starting to fill in, you know what I mean? This right here, the connectors. We good, you know what I'm saying? I'm just gonna run through these results real quick because I got something else to talk about as y'all see in the title. But anyway, here go the right side, you know what I'm saying? These are the gains that I got so far. 17 weeks, you know what I'm saying? Not too shabby, or is it? Now, as y'all can see in the title, you know what I'm saying? If y'all read the title, of course y'all read the title because y'all clicked on the video. But anyway, as you can see what it say on the title, your boy was played, man. I've been using fake Minoxidil, man, for majority of my journey. I've been using fake Minoxidil other than the foam that I bought from the stores, you know, around where I live, like the Walmarts, Walgreens, all that stuff like that. They got the real stuff because why would they dish out the fake? But yes, I purchased Minoxidil mostly of my journey from Amazon. Yes, from Amazon. And yes, let me turn this around so y'all can see it. This right here, you see what it say? It say the 6-month supply, right? Yes, 6-month supply right there. Boom. And not only that, it's the Kirkland brand, you know what I mean? One of the top brands next to Rogaine and all that other stuff, you know what I mean? Hey, I thought I was getting a good deal. I seen it on Amazon, 6-month supply for about $27, you know, 30 plus tax, you know what I mean? Killing it, you know what I'm saying? For 6 months, you get 6 bottles for $30? Yeah. I mean, you gotta think some brands cost $30 for 1 bottle. So, hey, I was like, yeah, let me go and hop on this. I looked at the reviews, 5-star mostly. I did not go through and read all the reviews or nothing like that. I didn't look at the 1-star reviews. None of that stuff. But I should have, you know what I mean? And it wasn't me who caught it. I'm over here putting on fake Minoxidil thinking, hey, why is my stuff not growing as fast as it used to? Because when I was on the phone that I got from Walmart, you know, it started, you know, popping up. All of this started coming from the phone because it was like a little line, you know what I'm saying, when I first started out, you know, from the beginning of the journey. So when I started using the phone and switched to the phone, I started seeing, you know, major results. But no, your boy had to get greedy, you know what I'm saying, to try to feed the needy, you know what I mean, with the 6-month supply. Thinking it was a steal, but they were stealing from me. Dang, bruh. And I know y'all wondering, Trey, how do you know that your Minoxidil is fake? Well, it started with a picture. That picture right there, I posted it on the Minoxidil beard group on Facebook, and a guy reached out to me and said, hey, your results don't look, you know, where it should be, you know what I'm saying? 17 weeks, basically from the results that I see, it looked like you can grow hair where, you know, you don't have hair because I can tell it on your cheeks and stuff like that. I was like, yeah, you know, that sound about right. He was basically telling me, yeah, partner, your product ain't genuine. And I was like, oh, I didn't know they had fake Minoxidil. He basically was like, yeah, partner, they got you for the 30. They got you for the 30. The dirty 30 is theirs now. And I'm like, oh, man, I didn't even know you could sell fake products like this. Why? Why would y'all do me like this? Amazon, get control of your sellers, man. Y'all making Minoxidil look bad. At least the Kirkland brand, but not that they're gonna be affected. But hey, if you buying from Amazon, watch out. Watch out. I would recommend you go to the store down the street. Do that. And that's basically what I did. I went down the street to Walmart and got the Equate. You know what I'm saying? Check out the Equate. That's what it say on there. Everything that this bottle say, except this is Kirkland. You know what I mean? Extra strength, all that. Man, they hold me, bro, low key. I'm kind of salty a little bit, you know what I mean? But hey, it was just $30, so I'm straight on that. You know, it was a little bit of money. I'm happy I ain't had to spend like $300 for this, because then I'd be like, oh, I'm coming up there. I'm about to pull up, player. And how exactly I could tell these apart is one of them smell more like alcohol and other ones smell like Minoxidil, like different, you know what I mean? And now that I've explained myself, which one smell like alcohol? Don't even worry, I ain't gonna hold you. This one smell more like alcohol, and the Equate brand from Walmart smell different. It don't really smell like alcohol per se. It has a different smell to it. It smells like how Minoxidil is supposed to smell, you know what I mean? So I'm gonna start using this one. I bought the 3 months, you know, bought the 3-month supply of Equate. Now when it comes to the 6-month, I went back and looked at the reviews, And some people said that the first 2 bottles was fake, but the rest of them was real. So I don't know what to expect. Am I gonna keep using this? Maybe. I might strike gold on one of them. If only one of them is real throughout the whole box, I'll go for it. But it's kind of scary a little bit knowing that there's fake product out there, because it got you wondering, what you putting on your face, player? I ain't trying to turn into nothing else. I know how people weird and want to run experiments, but ain't nobody got time for that. But like I said, week 17, and I ain't gonna cut this off, you know what I mean? I'm gonna keep the growth that I got, and grow on to that with the real stuff. But I'm like, dang, all this time I've been wasting, and majority of them has been fake, almost made me think I could grow this by myself. What the heck? Woo. Now, I ain't gonna keep y'all too long. I just had to get on here and show y'all the little results that I got. You know what I'm saying? I'm headed to the big beard. You know what I mean? I'm headed there now that I know that I had a fake product this whole time. Man. But hey, neither here nor there. Make sure y'all watch out for the scams, because the scams is out there and they try to copy the real product to the T. You know what I mean? So don't be like me. Read the reviews or you're going to get screwed. That's just all I'm going to say. I was trying to make it rhyme right there, but it really did. Okay, anyway. Hey, that's it for this video, man. I hope y'all like, comment, and subscribe. If y'all want to learn more about how to tell the difference between a fake minoxidil and a real minoxidil, I'll do some more videos. Just comment down below and I got you. But anyways, you already know what it is. It's your boy Trey Smith, bringing you love, peace, and prosperity forevermore throughout your life. Don't you forget it. And I'll see you guys on the next video. All right, peace.